Hey everyone, welcome to Awesome Reviews. And today I have come up with another exciting product for you all, which is called a Minute Kit. So, why is it called a Minute Kit? Well, that's because you can set up and go live with traffic in under 1 minute. You can clone and launch 7 high value membership websites with multiple automated income streams. Through this product, you will be able to make hundreds of sales. You will get hundreds of, not even hundreds, but thousands of leads and affiliate sales, and you can grow your own business by selling your own products. So, this is also a very beginner friendly app, and by purchasing this kit, I am also offering free bonuses. So for that, in order to avail this offer, you can contact me on my Instagram and just send me a screenshot of your purchase and I will give you the free bonus. So on the 23rd of November, the all-in-one system will be launched for complete beginners. So all of you who have just started their business, you can just avail this offer and get free bonuses as well. Just enter your name, email ID, and click on the Yes, Reserve My Seat button. In this way, you will be able to not only get this all in one system, but you can also get the free bonuses as well. Till then, I will see you in my next video and I will come up with another amazing review. Thank you for watching.